see if that cormorant can get in there. If that cormorant can get that fish, one gulp. Look, 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 look. And it's all gone. That cormorant will eat the whole fish. If he can get it.
É um mini, coisa que eu trouxe.